another quick hide reveal example that we're going to show today. It has to do with using object animation and flipping it on the bottom edge. So here's their example here that you have a question written in black. You have a box that's placed over it that has a transparency that allows you to see the black writing underneath. When you click on the box flips down and reveals your answer in white. Pretty simple, and we're going to go ahead and go through it step by step, so it'll be very easy for you to duplicate on your own. You first start with a blank page, and you're going to write your question. Your question could be anything at all. It could be a math problem. For instance, I'm just going to do 4 plus 4 equals, and you could do something about, it could be maybe the vocabulary word, anything at all that you want students to be able to click on and have the answer revealed. So you're going to have that listed first in black. You'd place it any place on the page that you want. You notice I'm just moving it around wherever I think it fits with whatever content I want on this page. I could also have multiples on this page. The item that we have written is a rectangular shape. So I'm going to go ahead and go up to my shape tool. It's up on the toolbar. I'm going to choose rectangle because this is a rectangular shape, and I'm just going to draw a box around it that will allow me to see it, but yet it won't obscure my writing. I'm going to go back to my select tool so I can be a mouse. I'm going to click on the edge of my rectangle. Go to the fourth tab down, looks like a little Rubik's Cube and an A. That's the Properties tab. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go ahead and fill my box. Now I can fill my box with any color I'd like, but what I do need to do is change the transparency. The transparency is right above my color choices. And I can go ahead and play with this and make sure that I get it as light as I need to so you can see the color. So I make that a little bit darker. And so now that I have that done, I can go ahead and write my answer. Now my answer needs to be below this, and so I'm going to go ahead and put my answer to 4 plus 4 is 8. And then you would also have, again, if you did a vocabulary word, you might have the definition. And then these are going to be placed right directly underneath. Now the answer needs to be in white font. So if you double click what you've typed, I can highlight it, go either here on my text toolbar and find white, or you'll notice that I can also go to my Properties tab pane right here and choose white. And now that actual font is white and we can't see it. The next step is to click back on the box, and we're going to choose in the Properties pane, which is still open from when we changed our color, and choose Object Animation. We want this object to flip. So we're going to go ahead and choose Flip Around Axis, but the direction we want is bottom edge. And it's going to give you an example so we can look at that and say, okay, is that what we want? We can click on the box and we can see that if you notice there, my white is a little bit too far down. That's a real easy fix. I can just move my box back up here. And you notice if I just take my mouse and I sweep over, I get my mark lines, and I can just move that up a little bit farther. So let's try it again. There you go. It's a pretty simple, easy text reveal to use, object reveal, anything at all that you can change to white so it blends into the background can be revealed for you.